4 out of 5 millennials are interested in buying fixer-uppers, but with rising housing costs and fewer home sales, it's not the best time to start flipping in most cities. Owning a home is about 31% higher than renting, according to a John Burns real estate consulting report. Just a year ago, monthly costs between owning and renting hadn't changed in 20 years, but the cost of owning a home also increased 37% this past year. And as of June, the median home sale price was $428,379, according to Redfin's most recent housing market overview. That's 11.2% higher than last June, and 17.4% fewer homes were sold too. So is a fixer-upper a good idea? And where should you look? Well, the majority of the 15 cities where fixer-uppers are less than $100,000 are in the Midwest. For example, expect an average of $28,000 in Toledo, Ohio, and an average of $35,000 in Saginaw, Michigan. But in cities like San Francisco, Austin, and San Jose, fixer-uppers can cost more than $1 million. I'm Theresa with My Fix It Up Life, and you've just been served your home news quick fix.